I am back. Spend a rainy day at home with us because today it's super duper rainy, and right now and it's supposed to be forecasted to rain all day, so I'm just making breakfast and we're gonna be home and we're just gonna do a little cleaning. Cheers, because I'm having my morning drink. It's just pineapple, cucumber, apple, like a bunch of other ingredients, but it helps flush out like toxins and stuff like that. And I have a pineapple ginger shot with cayenne pepper in the morning, every morning. And then I'll have like hot water with like just hot water or warm water, like warmish to hot water. And I kid you not, it has helped my stomach and my bloating so much. So yeah, cheers. Let's get this morning started. I've got lean turkey. I'm making eggs for myself, and then I'm gonna make the girls scrambled eggs. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Leah Bumpy babes. What happened? You want mama? Uh-oh. Okay, it's almost ready. Bye. So now we're taking little Miss Leah a bath, and I'm taking each one of them a bath individually because it is freaking cold and it is non-stop raining. So I don't want them to get cold while changing them or while having them in the bath. I even have like the heater. And then I'm gonna take each one of them a bath. After I take them each a bath, I'm gonna try to take a quick shower. Hopefully Leah naps, because lately she's been napping for like 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and I love it. I love it. It's been letting me do a bunch of stuff. And then and then I'll talk more about the birthday situation, because I took pictures yesterday for myself, just for fun. Who knows if I'll post them or not. But yeah, it was in the quickness, in the little daylight that I had, the sun that peeked out just for a little bit, and it's been busy. I've been really busy. And look, I didn't get ready. I look my mommy mess, because this is the reality of things. Sometimes you're not always gonna look good. You're not always gonna have your hair done up, and you're not gonna always have, I mean, right now I have it like this because, like I said yesterday, I took really fun pictures. Hey, yeah, no. And that's why it's like this. But it's just mom life. Don't be afraid if you live the mom life, bun life, because it's the best life. As long as you're healthy, happy, and your kids are healthy and happy, nothing else matters. I also want to update you guys on my mommy weight loss that I've been doing. I haven't been able to go back to the gym just yet because somebody has separation anxiety, so we're dealing with that right now. But I will update you guys, and hopefully I go back to the gym soon. So let me bathe this girl and then I'll be back. Okay, so we already ate lunch. I forgot to film it because I was starving, and getting all these 3 bathed and I dried their hair was a challenge. So, but I wanted to show this cup. So this cup, I've gone through so many cups with all the girls, but this is hands down the best cup. Like, it's leak proof or spill proof, and it literally just like slaps down. You don't twist it, none of that. And what's cool is that the straw on the inside, like, you can literally open it in half. Everything's silicone. You open it in half and it's so easy to wash. No mold, no none of that. And I kid you not, because she has this bad habit of doing this now, but this helps big time. What? Leah. Hiya, mommy. Cold day. Snow day. And we're not even far from home in California.
Wow, Leah plants today.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, Leah's monkey. Go, Leah.
Whoa. Okay?
Oh my gosh. Yeah? Are you cold?
No.
Okay.
Look at a big hollow. That's it, because there's a little creek right there. Yeah, there's water.
It is cold though.
Yeah. Where are your freaking mittens? Catch it, Leah. Catch it. Catch it. I mean, it's rain, but still, try to catch it. Is cold, Belly? Is cold?
This is Mama.
Oh no, you broke your snowman. She broke her snowman.
I'm trying to play my hand. Pick up the biggest.
Ah! Mia, no spitting, mi amor. Wow. You got a little pink nose already. You cold? You got layers and layers and layers. Oh, how cute. Ah, the little snowman.
We'll help you. It's because all you're doing is just smashing the snow down, Mommy.
You put hair on yours? It's got hair now.
We're going to it.
Yeah? Oh no, you took the head off. You took.